Yep, she's coming. This is why I thought she would. Splice all the movies together and mute them.
Right there's a big turn pole, is that what that is?
Yep, that's our big old
Beaver, west, the U.S. was at one time.
What does Tuscaloosa mean something in Indian language?
It does, but I'm not sure what it means. I do not know that. So a little bit about this boat. This boat is a freighter. It's not a passenger boat. It is 20 feet shorter. School, they did have school. The canal kids went to school from October to April, and then they were on the boat. Because the boats did not run during the night. They only ran during the summer. The reason so that was the end of the canal. It only lasted for a very, very short period, not too long. Now, the Erie Canal in New York, it lasted longer and it's still going very, very strong. There are some birds and there's an egret, straight blue heron.
I haven't yet. Once we get up to dock, I kind of crashed in there a little bit too hard. Once
This is your first time?
Oh, no.
Oh.
No, yeah, I've done this many times. No, like when I did do my first time, I accidentally bumped the dock a little too hard. And,
I can see that might be easy to do.
Yeah.
We're gonna